Say goodbye to peach fuzz and hello to radiant skin. Because the game-changing dermaplaning tool that's taken the US by storm has finally arrived in the UK. But here's where it gets controversial. While some swear by its ability to transform their complexion, others worry about the risks of at-home exfoliation. So, is it a skincare savior or a potential pitfall? Let's dive in. Dermaplaning. The process of gently removing fine facial hair and dead skin cells with a scalpel that means there's no shortage of innovative, safe options for at-home use. Enter Nimbi, the US brand that's been selling a dermaplaner every second across the pond. After years of exclusivity, these cult favorite tools have finally landed in the UK, available only on the brand's website. The initial September launch sold out in under 10 hours, and now they're back in stock. But don't wait too long. What sets Nimbi apart? For starters, their dermaplaner is crafted from a groundbreaking, eco-friendly biomaterial made of waste wood pulp cellulose, clay, and pine oil. This compostable design fully degrades in just 308 days, even in marine environments. A win for your skin and the planet. But here's the real question. Can a sustainable tool truly deliver salon-quality results? Dermaplaning isn't just about hair removal. It's a multi-benefit treatment. When done correctly, it exfoliates dead skin, boosts product absorption, and promotes a smoother, more even complexion. Regular use can even fade acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Plus, it's a favorite among makeup enthusiasts for creating a flawless base. But here's where opinions clash. While many rave about its effectiveness, some worry about irritation or over-exfoliation. So how do you dermaplane safely? Using the Nimbi Dermaplaner is simple. Start by applying a lightweight serum, gel cleanser, or facial oil to keep your skin moist. Hold the tool at a 45-degree angle and glide it downward in short, hair growth-aligned strokes. Pro tip: avoid active acne or irritated areas, and repeat every 3 to 4 weeks for best results. Nimbi offers a pack of 3 dermaplaners for £7.99 in beige, white and black, and disposable razors for £6.99. Each tool features a precise double-guarded blade designed to prevent nicks while delivering 6 key benefits: hair removal, exfoliation, debris extraction, oil build-up reduction, and improved skin texture and tone. It's even versatile enough for eyebrow shaping or upper lip hair removal. Clinical trials speak for themselves. 97% of users reported smoother skin with no discomfort after 2 days, a rarity in the dermaplaning world. Reviews echo the hype, with users praising its ease of use and effectiveness, even on thick facial hair. One reviewer noted, "My skin feels softer, looks more luminous, and absorbs moisturizer better." It's a game changer. But here's the burning question. Is dermaplaning right for you? While it's generally safe, those with extremely sensitive skin or active breakouts may want to proceed with caution. And remember, technique matters, so take your time and follow the steps carefully. Ready to try it? The Nimbi Dermaplaner is a great starting point for beginners and pros alike. But we want to hear from you. Have you tried dermaplaning at home? Love it or leave it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation. Disclaimer: we may earn a commission through link buy when you purchase through the links in this article. Rest assured, we only partner with brands that align with our values and meet our team's standards. Prices and stock availability are accurate at the time of publication.